Good morning, students. Today we have to start the chapter from endothermic and exothermic. Remember? Change in temperature. That is of two types, exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? The reaction that is accompanied by release of energy or heat. Exo means बाहर निकलता है, are called exothermic reaction. It is denoted as plus sign. Plus means it is emitting, it is evolving. Writing plus heat on the right hand side of the equation denotes release of heat. Okay. Example, calcium chloride is added to water. Then heat is evolved. We can feel by touching it, the beaker. Hydrochloric acid and calcium hydroxide is formed in this process. Okay. CaCl2, when put in water, Ca combines with OH of H2O and forms calcium hydroxide, which is hot, which releases energy. Plus H and Cl combines and forms HCl plus energy, means plus heat. This is example of exothermic reaction. Here heat is releasing. Releasing means exo. Endo means just opposite. It means it is absorbing. It is taking. During shaking of lime, a sound is produced which resembles the sound of a snake. So it is called hissing sound. When you put lime into water, there is a sound, hissing sound, and it is a sound of a snake also. Now come to endothermic, just opposite of exothermic. The reaction that are accompanied by absorption of heat. And absorption means if we boil the water, evaporation of water, then they take heat. Taking heat means endothermic. So reaction that are accompanied by absorption of heat are called endothermic reaction. So it will be written as minus, means it is absorbing, ये ले रहा है. Writing minus heat on the right hand side of the equation or plus heat on the left side of the hand side of the equation denotes absorption of heat. मीन्स अगर ये ले रहा है तो आप माइनस डालोगे, अगर ये रिलीज कर रहा है तो आप प्लस करोगे. नेचुरली अगर एक तरफ से वो ले रहा है तो दूसरी तरफ रिलीज करेगा. एग्जाम्पल है अमोनियम क्लोराइड प्लस वाटर रिएक्ट्स एंड फॉर्म्स अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. वाटर के साथ रिएक्शन है, सो इट कंबाइंस विथ अमोनिया कंबाइंस विथ OH and forms ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, plus chloride. Chloride means Cl and H of water. Cl of ammonium chloride and H of water combines and forms HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Minus heat means they are taking heat. So reaction is written as minus heat. Hope you understood. Exo means releasing, endo means absorbing. Here is some difference, endothermic and exothermic. In this reaction, in endothermic, energy is absorbed. Exothermic, energy is released. Endothermic, energy is absorbed in the form of mostly heat. Exothermic, energy is released in the form of release कर रहा है ना, तो we can convert it by either electricity or sometimes it can be released in the form of heat electricity, light, sound. Hydro electricity, we convert water energy into electric energy. Endothermic reaction, example, melting ice, evaporation, cooking of food, gas molecules, photosynthesis. In all these cases, energy is absorbing, means they are taking. And exothermic means releasing, rusting of iron, settling, I don't know what is this settling, chemical bonds, explosions, nuclear fission. Here energy is released. These are a few examples of exothermic. Now next, these are all about change in temperature. Now come to change of state. This is simple because when we boil water, it changes into gas. When we freeze water, it changes into solid. Water is in liquid. So we can write in bracket, either they are solid, we write S. If they are liquid, we write L. And if they are gas, we write G. Some chemical reactions are also accompanied by change of state. To identify the change of state, S for solid, L for liquid, and G for gas. And AQ means aqueous solution, means they are soluble in water, are written after the symbol and formula of the reactants and the product. Where it is necessary, we write these things. Arrow upward, arrow downward, S, L, G, all these things. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen, this is example of change of state, water is formed. Okay, hydrogen is gas, oxygen is gas, but water is liquid. So we write L in bracket with water. Now come to, these are all the characteristics of chemical reaction. Now come to types of chemical reaction. Chemical reactions can be classified into several types based on how means number of products are formed from reactant, means number of reactant, number of product. The most common type of chemical reaction are as follows. First, combination reaction. Here, two reactants are combining and form one product. Okay? Two are combining and forms one product. In a combination reaction, one or more reactant combine together and forms a product. Combination reaction are exothermic in nature. Mostly they are exothermic, means they release energy or heat. Example, first of all, by symbol, A plus B is equal to gives C. Okay. Magnesium reacts with oxygen on heating and forms magnesium oxide, not dioxide, it is oxide, written wrong. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Magnesium plus oxygen combines by heating and it gives magnesium oxide. That is powder, white color powder. Mostly we call them, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि राख हो जाता है, ash. Magnesium oxide is white colored ash of MgO, magnesium oxide. So this is called combination reaction, means here two things are combining. Okay, just opposite of these things. if one thing is broken and gives two things. One compound is if there is a reaction, either heating or anything, it gives two product. Then it is opposite of combination reaction. This is called decomposition reaction. When a substance break down into one or more substance due to heating or by passing electricity is termed as decomposition. So the decomposition reaction, we can say AB gives A plus B, okay, and mostly they are endothermic, means they absorbs. Opposite है combination का, combination reaction is exothermic, so this is endothermic. Example है, when calcium carbonate we also call them marble is calcium carbonate. It decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, and it is endothermic, means it is absorbing energy or heat. CaCO3 breaks into CaO plus CO2. When we heat calcium carbonate, it decomposes, means breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. We understood two things, combination and composition and decomposition reaction. Third is single displacement reaction. Single. When any one element replaces another element from the compound is termed as single displacement reaction. Displacement का मतलब क्या होता है? एक को हटा के उसकी जगह पे आपको आ जाना है. जनरली अ मोर रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट. अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है, रिएक्टिविटी काउंट्स. सम एलिमेंट्स आर मोर रिएक्टिव एंड सम एलिमेंट्स आर लेस रिएक्टिव. सो मोर रिएक्टिव क्या रिप्लेसेस लेस रिएक्टिव एंड प्लेस इटसेल्फ देयर, खुद को वहाँ पे ले जाता है. इट कैन बी एक्सप्लेन बाय एग्जाम्पल. फॉर सिम्बॉलिक, A plus BC, two reactants. One is A, second is BC. And what happens? Reaction occurs. A combines with C. क्योंकि A के बाद तो कुछ भी नहीं है, तो A is first point, first part, first and last. BC, तो BC, in BC, B is first part, C is second part. So A will react with second part of BC, that is C. So A and C combines and makes AC. Now B is left alone. This is called single replacement reaction. मतलब एक को हटा करके उसकी जगह पे चला गया. तो सिंगल है, that's why it is called single displacement reaction. अगर दो चेंज करता तो हम उसको डबल बोलते हैं. वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में. Try to understand these things, these three. First was combination reaction, second was decomposition, and third is single displacement reaction. Means one element replaces another element from the compound. Second वाले compound से एक element को हटाता है, and it is termed as single displacement reaction. Okay, we will continue it in next part. Thanks for watching the video. Till then, bye.